magnetic force on a current carrying conductor. So here our intention is to find the magnetic force acting on a current carrying conductor kept in magnetic field. Let us say the current carrying conductor is held in the magnetic field. So xy is current carrying conductor, and let us say it makes an angle theta with the external magnetic field. So let us say I is the current through the conductor. It is carrying current in this direction. Now the force on the conductor should be given by the total charge in the conductor into V cross B. So force F should be equal to Q into V cross B. So what is Q? Total charge contained in the conductor. So total charge flowing through the conductor it is given by Q is equal to, if N is the number density, then N into A into L. This will give you number of charge carriers, that is free electrons. So number of free electrons, if it is N, NaL will give you total number of free electrons. Each free electron carries a charge E. So total charge enclosed in the conductor is NaL into E. So if I substitute this into this, it will be F is equal to Q is what? E into NaL. This is total charge into with what velocity they are flowing, that is drift velocity Vd cross B. So Vd is what? Drift velocity. Now we can write this as NEA Vd into L cross B. We can take this L into the brackets. So L is what? L is a vector in the direction of current. L is length of the conductor, and we'll take it as a vector in the direction of current. Then it will be L cross B. NEA Vd will be equal to current. We know that current is equal to NEA Vd, where A is area of cross section of the conductor, N is number density of free electrons, and Vd is drift velocity. Then it will become I into L cross B. Now if I take the magnitude of this force, that will be I L B sin theta, where theta is angle between vector L and magnetic field. Notice one thing, L is a vector taken in the direction of current, right? L is a vector taken in the direction of current. So this is the expression for magnitude of force on a current carrying conductor in magnetic field, and this is in vector form.